Let's draw my melody starting with the eyes. And the secret's all in the alignments. There are 5 total. And for this first one, line up the nose with the bottom of the eyes. For the second one, take the high of the eye area and repeat it upward. That's the high of the hood. These next 2 are the fun part. Line up the eyes, nose, and the hood's ears all on the same horizontal line. Then, take the width between the eyes and repeat it on each side. The face is basically done. Reinforce the headlines and don't forget the bow. The body stays simple, just curved lines. Looking good? Keep reinforcing. Start adding color to bring her to life. And then the last alignment comes in, and it's a big one. Draw the body at the same height as the head up to the bow, like this. The quality of what we make, it's in the details. Just enjoy the process.